Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Here's redneckbillionaires.com, man. 4th October 2023. 3:33 in the afternoon, on our way to Pete Vargas Stage's 2-day workshop. Man, I'm at mile marker 35, rest stop on Alligator Alley, west of Miami. You can see this is ruggedly built. Look how big. Look how big that is. Big, wide as my head, man. This is some massive timbers, and then we have the metal roof, hurricane resistant here. Truck parking, new construction going on. Florida is alive. All right, let's go.